ye bomb parade see me from some power pump mu na minim say ebia me bo a edom na twa so se me ba ke wo so ye mame ebia me be to me akokwa ne yare ye ko pese ade ne ye ne huhu on pese be ne hunam eti the spirit of God move si amafo a what is wrong about this
for mema obibia akwaba shonko ede ebatuma GHFD kasiye yi eso gano wahala jumedie ena ebre asusa musonfo mumiaba ekwesi kapa enenso mede ebesumu nimsemeje ejase dana chese ensemwa ekotwi ekobremai ene yabone bede ede eba besumu yisinkonya na chese ensemne de yebetwe ne srem ene abasa apene pomesi besa se bebi ade dano se wanfa nto a empenifo esi efree eto na watchi yimuno chese ensembi ebebeto eja ekona watchi na wie ye memendani muno ni nyina eye Thanksgiving service na chese ekoso nyumtofo dodo na ekoko piemu ewo honomu a na chese akwakwa ye ayeye entontom ade a ye papa dane da wota the Thanksgiving service a woye the unity oil penyipa woda anono na this time around no dear ni Thanksgiving service no anko ye as in say video be circulate e social media be diam aye hu say ye ma Miss Cecilia Mafo akwakwa shi microphone de free ye nuaba na say ye ma me ye Joyce Blessing and some na wo ko shim ye no shima wo shim ye nyina achi no ne sama no de to edwakrampo de ema no ye se nyankopon ahye no se won kan kire ne se won ko eye no kunu wonum na oni ne kunu sanye de enko tena na se de video no ekọ ye ne se de ensem no eba abonten na Ghana for dodo na edwen ho a wo mo enti ase dodo na se de ye ma me Cecilia Mafo eye de entwa ye enya ne kwan so a eno no se wo timi gina nipa dom anim na abra Joyce Blessing eba be minister na wawra humu na wo to nwum na at least enya mempo ena show sebra na bebeka bibi ekire no kra nkeye sa kwan no so ena nya me share sebra bebe ye no na chese dodo na dwen ho a wo monta se na ama nsem bebre so apie e de free other gospel artists no ensem e de aba yes Celestine Don Kodina no baba betum se ade biye ma me no odo se wanyini e wo huhumu ene ye nyamedwuma mu nanso so enyomebi wo ho no ma on apply ye wisdom to it ebinom so badasa me so babonten ebebeka se ye ma me Cecilia Mafo do ye ne de entwa ye sam ene osibrim na sum emre bi atwam all in the name of nyame honhom ena ahye no bobo na sum woni padom anim to no do hu ne se wo mfiri nyame nti de ode aye no na wasa timi di biasa baba ye Joyce Blessing anim guasie we pan de na chese ye ma me no ni su ene ne ba na ebusuafo se de ensam no ebobo eba no hu behia pan ye si ebepe nyame difo nyame nipa wo no so onimu nyumam na o meme cheche nyumam ma ye hu no se sa nyoma bi sei no ya na eba ebetimi ye familiar spirit anase nyame honhoma na ya na ehye ye wo mo asofo na anase wo mo ye nyamedwuma no ema mo di sa adwuma no eno nti ya to ensa de afre yankasa ye mpapa ye prophet Bernard Esiama wada Holy Ghost fire prayer ministry anu so ono so efa na dwenche ememe somye enti kan ho ene mbonra ensem no emu odifo me mo akwaba
yusu skapa
bibia boko de
nyankopon daroma ye ho den se twere kronkron
ye the Christase na odifo ensem ababeto eye apono asu ye maame eye Cecilia Mafo nensem asese wo bia eka ebi de sobo no elpo no se de oye ye no enye ne kwan so a eno no ebi no nso hu ni se de oye ye ne de eno anu no etwa ye because eye nyame asem ena wode nam o gina nyame di mu na di minister no hu ko ne ba na ye hwe ne ye ne se de wodan ye nyoma edi ba bonten edi message nyame edi ma no ebre ye Joyce Blessing no na ye ne kwan so anu no na de na betimi aka fa ho
me da wano aso sikapa ma menchia too much matiefo akirikiri ne bencheye ene oman mu ni nyina de atie ne se unse o kasa na kasa brother samemre bi atwam obo na sum one time na me hold program one of the CAC churches ni bi abeka na ye Friday ye bom pan na nkunku boru ama me bi ekọ bo oba bi ani so kacha ne se onya ise de one mema edidadida preko pe no ba na tuisu sika hwade we o preko pe na ma me na tuisu se na oba mpaibon ofri ne mpena nchen e na ba be wura mpaibon ono so peku na ware eti sika sa wonya o kristoni na wonante hu a onti ase o ba fi se lady na ba be bo woman na so e so lady ye no nyina na e bo mpai ye ni mo bi ba bia on say things of the spirit is basis for the Christians to be matured when tina Kristo ka so be di machi dia e nante hu me make us the silama of it perfect
perfect
me to serve you 100% perfect now we say ene Ghana Kristo sum akwese bibia ho on say me I will never call just blessing or me program so on say Bible say mode ho sase na mode ho na ma de awie oh de cha Paul ka che Korinto asafo mode ho ma sase but awie no mode ho nam ene kwa akowie adanti na ba begina altar so tio ya begina nyame altar so todom ama alpha ni omega ama nani mo nyama daddy ene papa Dr. Kwame Cheba abo the program so why invite the prophetess ebi mu share a deep for renowned men of God on war wow o be sa de ni ye ne huhu on pese be ne hunam eti the spirit of God move siamafo what is wrong about this who say me fashion so much anti-grace do mfan kapenya who say
ota boni din pempi
anti-grace do mfan na titi siamafo enti who say enyoma wo be nanti hu ma be ye no onu ni pan wo ba na so ye honam what you say ena nanse ayi adwuntufo bebre nso na mabosom so agitititi miwo enta Kristo ni di adenti na kwa ko ja okunu ebe gire nyame altar so otomi ma ama alpha and omega Ebra Malaki chapter 2 verse number 13 eko osi entwa awradu kontompo esan sa wonu ukunu o ma ba bre no branch brem oye montam dansini ebra na mo shakawa wo be gire awradu ni better for worse so the worse about ukoja we nyame ba
na se Bible na so say an ye edwamambo na timi ema be ma na so oba woja ni kuna
Malaki chapter 2 verse 13 ko se ni awradu me tan awaduo na eye machiwade
ba ye na chiwade no kwan so asama ye ehihye ye wo ho enti nipa na bia ye dwaman na bia ni kunu agba na oba na bo na ba ko no de waye na ade se wonu de wonpe because so kokoto na ope wade enti wonpe na wojaye a enu nti no like wo se yenyini mu ewo nipa mu ye mani hunu se won de waye ne de enye che se ya ade a wontimi memeka nipa wontimi bata nipa wontimi endi ni dwuma se se wo boa eye nyame nwuma na
unse mamenchiro yenye no kwa nto nchen oba na nkasa ogina stage a auto do head dressing me again edify no as a gospel singer obi a auto do manya again edify no every the things be pem nas again kire e wa no se auto do mama ewurade me re aya man ke kan mu nche nyame so ba no ba ma hia we mu nwumintie apart edabreku samikupa ena eda obri ena sisilia mafo metanti woman no because obi ananto ho ti hu se eno man ga 90% enye Kristo sumu mesima ka di akopem si Yesu baba 90% of Ghanaians are not Christians abaifo abosomama enkwasiafo de jimifo bebre mento di ansabe nyame ansam sabe bi animu onse ene asofo de bi mpa no koreka ene difo de bi mpa no koreka etu yi nyame so ade a ho sika ese mre bi atwa na me yempa ibo baabi akokra wadi 70s eba yempa ibo ni bi ya bo mpa bi ni na mu aye humu nyuma me du ba nkuru se mi fama me nsam papa na pampam akokra 70 years o me ko pai papa o ya pampam empadimfo ni edom atwa sia ho o mu ni wi ade be ka kire ya be ka kire se difo na kokuma akokra no ade a wo mu na be sha wa sha ko pai o ya pampam me sha me ho so afa ye wi program akokra ni ba manim obeka chem so da be se mi unam so fine daddy tenase o se da mi ti pai me sa for 15 years obi kire mo mpai bo yan so ye mpai bo na no de nti ni mra bi na me see you rade my bone me ka won anim say ye bomb rade see me fa me sam power pampa mu na me nim say ebia me bo a edom na twa so se me ba ka wo so ye ma me ebia me wo be to me akokwa ne yare ye ko enti me na maya na so nkonko na ye unsa wo mo me ne nkonko na nche no nkonko ade ye oya wo nti ase obetima ka se sanwa na to keke ne nyina unsa nkonko ade ye bia bible
na odi for say de na wo ka wo die enu nti no tam obebe hu na still na wo ntimi nya ma no ho nton
me ba ho na mu my adwuma de every man of God be a administration wo ba ho na mu
okay
so as I say wo ba ho na mu na ba ho na mu na me power me pa den ye me bo ba bia konkra be chia but enu nye Christosum on say the ways of the prophet and prophetess are you different all thing together am I am blend say or some one prophetess jinawa wo mo ye pe no abi a prophet be ye prophetess be ye no shop won't be nebi
na odi for yen shadio when say we no na Thanksgiving nyumto na ne ye babeto yanka say bia ye nkom hye dwumedie ye mam Cecilia Mafo that moment no ye invite no as say oye nyame nyuntumi a gospel singer ye invite no in the name of ye prophetess and he said that moment no so when ye di ye bia na entimi entwen say after the program we share ni pan if you are saying this in nyame eda na di kire me enti no ene me ba ebe ya ko na sa ko wukunu nche na entimi nye sa na
ebetima e sabat in essence honkonko sometimes or sin pan okay kai Acts chapter 13 verse 9 kwa Bible say bre hwafo ni sia mo bom pan honkonko ka chom so munyi nkwa mienu mo no nko yo modwuma se de ono ase eti da ma tube ka cha honkonko say e masa ken ye wi program no on your spiritual o control yen anyway you be as yourself prophets apostles evangelists pastors teachers obia oni ru a ople the ways of a pastor is not the way of an evangelist. The way of an apostle is not the way of a prophet. Once in a day, it is a prophet be a year neduma or ionitinsa. What would you want to ask ye? Because we are cana. Oh, Nantum, the be our own, the be our own. Every January, December, Quanum pass on that. I point to the Bida, no man Nantum, things of the spirit and based on the things of the flesh. What's not anything? If any partner to whom I want yes yet. If you are make us a bit to me. Over the day, me my program will be able to Germany, will be down Google Sketch and say, Ope Chacha. Make Kabu Mike him and open you. Send a needle to Papa and work to a so nyai chacha. And a baby, me name home. And then me pen a median and Yamuba, and answer me see me a median Yamuba, but spirit be the contrary. Me catch up papa no afeni papa na start issue afeni yiri ti do mu da catch no me kuru pechacha do ma tuni fu a ontie etia no eye ni ngwase o enu tube kasha ma no ba program me be share ho
there be ba say chacha to only the different from
the same thing me ni sia ma fu come dey chance
odi for
me be pia bo kra
na just so what there feelings account nyame
there be me be chiri nkwase asem me ni Dr. Kwame Chi am coming from am for program what sidan ye papa Kwame Chi what sidan ma nyame o so nante hu hwe bi si one programs spiritual programs and na asafo mu ye oh bi si one enti say o ye bibia ma alpha ni omega hu so spirituality si be kwa ni enti expect anything. And I be one short to himself for prophetess. I'll sign you to me. Or to the ones in the radiant prophetess.
Now, it is a new thing on our friend because also
and this waba. Now, oh, yeah, you for you, allow her. Now, Dr. Kwame or Penny in Altima Bungo Chama, Sisama, Nimusha Gunusua. Now, I didn't say. Who said, and then, maybe because a beautiful baby now, just Yadrin and Danny. No, a Christian woman blow gun yakin and Danny. I didn't make us deep for the make us. Kiris was say, who bet you made the Messiah to whom? what you say honam any spirit no enhia etu be so nante spirit mu a ade a honam ne pe no reject ni nyina etu so ya dum tini na be gire nyam altar so etu dum am alpha ni omega wa reject it etu tini so be pe mu na say do gina scale yes kanewa Kristo so be percentage ahe eni benya wo mu
odifo mi ntwa no adenti na bana anyumtofo side na asa ye criticize wo mu too much ebi wo wanu abehu sofo panyi bi wajaya ware enso still wo ye sofo panyi wo gina altar so o preach o kanyame asem enti adenti na nyumtuni susu eja ware a wo no de ye ntimi ma no kwan se won to nyuma na se ye hu ni se wo no de wa ye de chese elbro adwene ntiase so enu ntini nyame nyum a woto no because so to nyame nyum na won di nyame asem so jina nyame emra so wo chiri eye awarija ye enu ntino antino na yesi ani enu nti wo mfiri nyame anase enu ntino wonye eye nyame ye nyame sum anase o like otu nyame nyum nti ye mpemeti no mane ndi dwuma ba asofo etimi ja aware de etimi pemeti o mo se enam se wate na asori ye ntino etimi eye na asori adenti
wo mo nun se Mecca say they are not being operated by the power of the Holy Spirit. Mecca suffer ni nyumtufo ni nyina bom. Ye tia Mecca say osofo de ade ne be ma obeja hoyere. Empo tio odi edom wani. Odi edom kobo sasase bi so. Enti so bi ba na ka che say ni kuru de sika twa no a. Obeka che se be ma ni so ba ni so nya adukuru. No. Unse de bia mka se uye man of God. Odu ni pedua no hu ni pedua eto Kristo asam so ewe yi hu ekare hu se ubetimi sustain himself e o sa bia na ya from eni fo ni pa bia o hwu ni ban wow o hwu ni ban bia ti hu a aside the calling of God no e hwu ni ban bi ti hu a o ye den e be reflect ba eri ni hu adi a e wo so ma hu edi hu na no so once na dey che enke man of God e na be ja here ana so be wo na wo side chick e wo yirechi unse wo mu gina altar so they will think they will figure say Holy Spirit and your moduma o mu musa wow and ye ba anyumtufo ni mu a o shira abofo ayi abofo mo tuduma alpha one na ye makeups one abona so hamiensa ashira abofo mu Kristo aye so no osimi mi chi trousers mi chi aye ma chi wade so bi ka se bibi ye na chi wade a wo de analyze sa papa na ye ne tie no ene ye fa nyame se o ye fon ekuta ye ti bi bon kakaka ye remote ne se ye pe sa ne ye fa Kristo anase afa enyankopon ye hu ne se o ye toy bi a osi ho anase o ye ba bi de ye pe ne ye no da bi enu ti he Mami watama be briabakrum. Most of the Christophobic play is being moved by the marine kingdom. What would you almost say? Almost be pointed. Where did the chance of your Christian? Me, my program, baby. Yet can you, my bomb, Kenya, Noma? And to be sorry, Mwaba. What you are so I can show you you could die. But your evil spirit to afford Mwaba. Deny. Oh, once in a COVID and I didn't tell you. And to what I would think, channel, I won't work in the spirit. About think you said the advocates who would be agro. Will be quite I did this amount of times over Jimmy, or him the oil.
Oh, differ ba Nanka, a right to sell Kukushim Mike, or the senior may Ashawa. Some obey me about. Or you be moved by the Holy Spirit, or some move. Now, move. Like obey me, moving it, and Casimir move you, one move Yako. At least so will be become my city said also. Wait me at you or before for Edia, no Casa Edia film. Na yeah, my major's blessing, and it's all Shana or Betua, ne and Yumna as well. So Shana went me and to us, and your neighbor Casabia Mamma say, then you were Johnny Mike at one say, Nabia will coffee. But I said you would dimly come, echo your Kukushim Mike in the difference, and Aqua, yes, I said, well, on some Fatasa will be Janani Padominim, Mike now pushing Yano to one and Yaji saying, at least. What all will be big crampuna, what your Panaco can buy, so she Mike in the dear feelings and Yana Pansua and
also Sika Bible, some money we are sent. Say, Anthony, you are the devil. Yet you go for many piety. Only you couldn't say about Giant Crew. One chance among for catching them. And some someone and papa. And you call yourself a gospel singer. Me, I see them as businesswomen and businessmen. Most of their types, more as businessmen and businesswomen. One about a new to a business or voice no the from take. And then Christ will be not to you, mamma. Said Yamina Yen soon wrong. Oh, to you, mamma, papa, one. Wo dressing, wo shoe, wo buying, wo bubble, wo be piara. Or she may be fear Christophe, ama me my Christo, ma. I am no Munsana Moto. And to fear again a chance why you fear Christophe. Christophe, I tell you, Christophe, or soon as you carry you. Bible say me more tin and chin namuda. Now come per se. Also Christophe, we are some plans or best answering plans. Also, I didn't tell you. And then because of a Christophe, crabby and when I'm from. Majority, may say majority of Ghanaians are not Christians. Oh, what do you hear about Papa Japon program? By I tell you, with this is a mouthful. May your better is a mouth free and maybe a bone some by four.
Hey, and then
I connected to a room for prayer grounds. Antiquity tears will be any. I never never count. All the prophets, apostles connected to that grounds and for prayer grounds will be any Islam. My not to tell no quantity, and the things of the prophet and prophetess won't yes yet. I don't say the Christ of Bebrinaya push for. Maybe to Sabi, Bebrinaya push for. And to was a Adianwa, yes, sir. I am all the prophets. Satan saw the prophets, but at the same time, prophet over Sabrina Medium. Bible sing a mere power or talk was sissy. Not what was conconso. Any was a beba, ama yebeba, or say yebeba, but men papa was a puko in him. It is a I grand come here, expected Christian say, ye bet ties the amount for China catch them. Say, yeah, oba, and if humanity away. But sometimes they do the behavior, apply wisdom. What's that nature?
Yeah, mammy, yes, Celestine, don't call crab about one thing.
Or no confided the Anton or no Celestine, don't cry, Diana. Me Pamon quite you.
Hey,
what would you grab in Pessimation with Impo?
Now,
one of me, I may now for so be a pronoun friend. Or any crew bass here, or bass sound in your so demon on Pico. What do you mind, Yame? And I said, the penny more, and I said, dressing or dressing. And I will send a someone and can't quench on to form. Yeah, what I should remember, I shall say you. What you mean, Pentu, young woman, some man, what about Jessie Bema? I have a job of a faithful talk, about a faithful. I hear your yap, boy. I bet you as a tumor, I'm a tumor, my raddy. Why raddy? Why raddy?
Oh, for one summer, okay, that is obey a 2 young man as well.
What pair, Jamai, over Pampasia, some Ghana to 40 to the man.
And say, oh, for Obi to
I thought she would have baby.
and Obi, a Juma menas or your bar, and you can so dressing.
Or say, dear Christa from what tell him? What tell him spiritual and physical? What church on our pipe? These are, baby, Oba, my flow. Baby, when I am a media. When they say Tanya, my flow, 70, 80, Gina Memudium, to Tuanamos Simidium. What you ask it? Any random to form a regional state, a comb at the end of your man, Tantaya, the Baba by your home. And Tadian such on your papa, or to be put a new for an egg war, will be quite for me out of Pompedo. What do you know, Raddy? Now, baby, at in once you say, Yamin Fan has some panaso. A dear foul so bound. I am in Pesamica, a task a in young confrontation a in young.
Who let be in a false waban?
Oh, Raddy. Ah, demons sitting in their hell.
Okay.
Principality sitting in their hell. And a baby, and we are the prince of that city. Also help.
Okay. Now, for the young bra, my main Celestine, don't condense and what was open the you cry when Yakasa. Now, and Casa, you know, dear Bakwana walk and I say, no, a cocoa share in Tinema may ever soon. What in Simbi to just say, yeah, my main Cecilia Maffo and Care was say on apply a year wisdom. In the prophecy, in the Quasa go be and no, I cannot say what's ram because we know I am fat to him. Say, what friend will program. Na woni lukunu o mo na obeye hihye e wo ho say ade no obegina stage so minister anaso wo to nyom wo ye bibi na asofo a wote eche ne bia wo hu bibi fa ne ho a enye ahonum na wo beba ba begina abeka se bia wo hunu we prophecy say ni say there bi omno kwa agreement enti no so wo dina stage so na wo hunu ne ho ade bia sa na se so for waba program asem na wo hunu ne ho ade bia wono akwa agreement say wo nka wo wia na wa frɛ no say na mahu anase wo minister ewia ne na wa o me no wo nkomo enya mic mu na abeka no ena ebiemu enso no wo mo je contract anase se wo baba be di dwuma e wo wa sori ana wo program ase a wo ma ati ase se bia wo bibi wie krampo na mpa ye bi krampo na nyansa bia na wo mo be pene amande ato so san so makoye gospel musician wo be wo be ko programs asofo wo be hu na we de ene se ato so na we de all you go so ni se eye nhyehyeye enti that moment no brass sili amafo sorry ya mama sorry ya just wo kokko hwi mic no wo sen ka Joyce Blessing ne manager ne wo mo no wo duduma no ka wo mo stop ya mama no na bibia ni a wo mo ne no manager no nkonkonko ka because nipa no ne duty se wo bebe duduma no se wo gina stage ni so minister wo wi no no wo bibi kan back the show na say behind the scene na wo se ekoso wo hwe ya mama ne nsem odi atu dwa ya ye no kwan so a eno no ananse nkasa na wo se ye maame no putting it things to
me no baby make us say me gility baby so make us say me unity.
Okay.
You cannot stop the spirit of God.
Okay.
When it's moving. What you see obi enu kwan se osi won konkon kwan se uja ohuma no a odo be yifura no pa ko sie numere na wontimi ni shop won kwose me ka jo ayi ye maame ne de na kan wontimi ni shop won kwose se bia ho bibia tobo ase mi wia no be ka kire. You cannot stop the Holy Spirit. Omunya omunsem hunu no
because ohun ni say no oye public.
You are not about the altar. When tell me church omun tuduma alpha.
Okay.
Me ma flow program o ye o minister on altar so na bia ma hu bibia be prempan kire. You cannot do anything on my altar. No. I saw there on the sea. And I saw for before program when I see I saw down. Emu nkonya na toy. No ba be ma order in the church. Me na be program process na be boa me. You don't have to say come and do your thing and go. Once na dey tell ye and ye ma pari ye anya adwuma nyame fie. Oyuntuni ye how dare you say command your whole mind of God. We be command say please I don't want this I want that. O say ngima hour alpha na omega.
Who na what on say friend no.
There be otie.
Person wo mra there wo say wo ni din hihye.
Sika tie. Say one wa conscious on my altar. You cannot do anything on my altar.
Okay.
I hold that altar. And my friend said I be just a minister. Altar ni nyawo dia o. Mike ni nyawo dia. I saw the you now see. Eti afro said I be minister e altar so. And mo nyam mi kwa na dey ma o. And to comport yourself do the work of God. Bible said if one woman said if one as. Me I'm a prophet but I love singing a lot. Me Paul so dey too much. Once na dey ni tell. And I wo so dey nyame o say wo tell ho. Every feeling kika body nyina. It is a sound in my will add to one. Me, I don't blame them. Nowadays, Christians near a shop for near Yamba. Any a devil be a Yamba. Any apostles be a Yamba. Yama Christian church and near Juma. And a gospel musician here, and now Saturday such a home. A penty to 1 people in Yeti, and Bob Bashman, that's so German for, begging an altar minister. Bible invite your joy. Oh, it's a young muscle for you, baby, be more. Ultimately, you break his bia. Imagine an altar should baby be a no. A breeze spirit and us. Why would you feel at Tantana altars? And 2 years you want a better no. Mubajina should be just more channel. I don't know what Gigi.
Na odi for didn't no work as answer when na say and you will be na home din and say otimi take such information because obi ho no man wo be hu bibia fa no say ebia wo ba bewu ebia no wo na ebe no ebia 20 years time and na wo no ebeba but the moment wo gina stage so all kasa na say wa ba be the mic no aka no nipa do mu no no krampo timi di hu no to nipa so ama within a week na wawu nam ehu a ababa be hye ni mu ana adwen a wo be dwen hu na yesi me bewu o na say enu ti na wo susu say and as who say so will be a gospel musician and as we did you or a public figure be no baby now who program so and as we invite you for a programmer the one the year by any concert with it to a year bedroom and or my yes at and yes say be a sell or more public figure will be one on your public figure but the moment I'll be friend or a congregation and I can say hey me who say and no crump put media who a tuni panus to who is a yeah a so far na di from mon komsha mo channel a open prophecy no who is say no be ya anka mun twitwa as who said the work can ne kwan so a eno
unse and sometimes who be in publica okay but me no me experience ne say who be in publica ebia Eradia masa to media aduma chede no ubetimi dia stop ebia be campaign gum e the direction be kukwam na odi stop saade no e no obi won so ase de o kana is true ehunwom ebia ka chen se ebia owo bi bemben ebia sisi hu yi emam ade bi na mukwan mu ba ebia saade kono nso adi for ne bia oni utumi se o de stop saade no e na be freni pa no okukwam aka chense bia asumesi obenti kona koye we anakona ko modifo bia oye den na obetima break amam wo konse na de ne tie no e na wonse ne no adiye na ene asofu nyuma no aye bibie ho e na nyuma bia na mframam ene nyuma bia e koso manga ne muti wo ka che nipa no kra no a onyimni e na me pese se erade fa me so ka se mi kire wa me ka che no ano no me mmoda to anga me ho first dey na me ha me ho pa ebia me hu se titi se ade bi na mkwan ba eba be bow ade amani na tete awurade ma mtumi se bi nyina mfama de me house but eni ni pa no ano o yes sir
so peska bi ana bibi na afri no
once na ofin so peska bi ana pe ade bi afri no nti na wo yes sir enje se ami awurade soma me bia ya so no ka tete me ka tete o pa de chumpa ene masem me a prophet ana ye preaching or na sama ba si en ka bibi se nchiro ti mi ka che no ano so wo nyansa wa adwene e wo humudi a wo ba ma chiro e bia ye we na ekwamu na ho no
na odi for wodi nsem no esie no na o say ye ma Mrs. Amafo wanya one na nya encounter prophecies ni nye se bia wotan woje ne nwosra edi edie na ensusu no se da ne da onyame nipa na se nyame anamusini ubeye bibi na be mankofo aka ho asem be mankofo enya wo ho asem aka de enyoma bi wo ho no mo a ultimi ebu wani guso na say woye waje wo be ye ni in a sense emanipa enka eye wo ho ensem enti mbese mi hu say ukoye nyame nipa ana say wudi dwuma bi edi manyankopon because of the nipa ebekenti no e was one sakra nyame nyoma mu ana say nyame hihye ye odi ama wo nu emu ana just to favor people around you ana
say nyame say ultimate scenario what is written is there
it's written
ena hu say edifo ni asofo na apostles so mudi Kristo echi no amani o mfa mu ye mfa nkota Bible say Job amani hu ne rade kan hu ntam say o ma de su che nipa ema yenye so rade kan hu ntam esi ni pi enti wa ba be ni Kristo echi ni de wo ye dan ye be ka ho asem ye be di watam ye be su de ni mu nyinara me ye to de be bia so be bia na mo ka che me say me de evil spirits am bi ye aduma once na nene chen minim sameti yeso ne me hu yeso 3 times ba na nimu pa do mfa nchero me hu Holy Spirit with my naked eyes oni mini o ka che ni pa onti ase edu ba bi go mo ka che me se me nkwa na minim pa bobo me nkwa na nyame afra me nkwa na me difo ba no sa obi nkwa by God na me so em kwa mo camera ma me mfi ya na me mpa ba bi mfa e wura abonche na rade kotere yen yesi once na nene chen etibi me prophet rade afra me se me mpa de nyanko bi nkwa wo sasa bi so etibi me ha dia wo benti asumesi beka and maybe mad ya wo kan mu me mabam okay because the line of the prophet money attack on sika si esi bi su a se ma me sina ma fo kana kosam a o ti bi wo se demon pan o why ne ba bejo o ni pa no ni ani una wa hu tun na oba u be gan na so be fine u gan be ka se ma me na pantoma tu be there so the things of the spiritual no enye equal say nipa onam honam ono ne mpra no ye miensa Mimi man to for baby, I won't plan bear 20.
Hey, and then I do.
Ah, now Ghana you to for baby, I go shibra. I don't pass yet. Me over the pass and you to never put me in a mass 17 day in one church. A mass 17, one day to one church. And you bet no minister, me no baby, I'm home man my own ass. Because your Christian papa be a than us, it be born much. Now, who's our Macron? No, Mum, funny free baby. Maybe I should number 2,000 altar so to them. Now, Evia, and you give what your baton no more chance now. I'll just come and start the mic for you, put you up, baby. Because what you may do some movie on your altar so.
Okay.
What you say? Bible says for old German for a party, and Meradia. Old German for a party. Oh, no more plan of me and say, and see, a big party young con. Oh, you and you were China, who knew the open now, but the Bible, the Canunya. Are you singing for Alpha? And I saw singing out. And now for Sikabi, I'll be empty.
Nah, and
I'm the Kumabra woman boy, Sam Cooper, and Edda Ubrinum, woman to you, South 40 years, woman, master. Busa away. Sika, would you Busa away? One more master move. And to Busa said, and you know, we are one master. And Pai walk from Kuya in the hall. What's an identity? We are ready to man now in here, or jump with the corner that red. Or also Okuta, all the 9 gifts. All the 9 gifts, Okuta. What's an identity? We are back on the young jump with Wakua. We are not in your not Wakua. Edge or look to an amusi, or sit to an amusi make you to meet him. I don't hear a Ghana room to four. Ghana room to four, a be moving Sapapa, Apioi, or you to your clubhouse. Why did you attend outside and I say was so? Maybe Mukiomu, eh? Ghana means you'll be animal. Over by them, recruiting you some Cooper, they'll bring them. She's a mouth there because we not do me who spirit, and young musica, and young, I know Divo Biano, once or Divo Bian, once in identity. The way of the prophets is very dangerous. Anybody, I'm a prophet. Now, confront one. And now, I can't hotel. Oh, what am I? I'm going to be a suit. Me and your man for me and your motto. I feel for you now. Say, I'm young flower. Or flower need out. Or body back when you say a trap. Oh, who is stamina? Oh, my pine. And Obia, or I mentioned, Obia, or can you hear some cream? And as you are different as an aqua or coming to Kurum, who will call the church members little. Because any pump periculam. Once ever, Mrs. Square, you are here or the whole gun. Pass ye be crab a cabby. Jimmy for the crab a cabby. Or be only Yamian crab a cabby. Or conformity in a catch of a cabby. Or Portic master be barber cabby. Once an identity, eh? What dear, Mumusa are conform woman bang our gardening. Sir, woman number one. When was the last time a true Christian one-on-one?
Odi for we dey was say me there and na yambra ya mame ye kofu background that there as was say stop calling yourself a gospel musician or say ye omo mutu nyamenyu omo nya so omo from who gospel musician na there ya mame sisi la mafu ye de won na ye adwen 100%. Now confubate me ka say na doesn't mean say there won ka say omo mutu nyamenyu omo enante humu ne che say omo nya nyoma ni nyame de ye pe na che say ye no kuro.
One moment until I was on the away without to be dear woman. And here, who the real child of God, me makes me uncrum, which me parody, I mean, who back who crowd. I could tell the real mark of Christ. I yet three, but a young at all. As Shen said, you will be one. And as a baby, whom Phoebe encounter one a beer, what do you mean, you know, you will be can up a baby alpha. Me to me, I mean, who back who crowd.
Na odifo ene eba ne sen na say ye akonfo mpo ehu ne say de ye mami ye esusu ye Christopher de ye de hu ne say
they walk in the spirit sika they walk in the spirit akonfo bia na nti humu omo ba no nyoma wa ye gu kwam wa kika nyuma bom wa na bosom dem nsuman dem all times wa kika nyuma bom to oba nya chen ye be hu nyina okay won say na de chen wo mu ani Omu wani enti omu nyame akoa nyame di omu hunu me ti obi wami ohunu enyo bi na be ka kire omu kirejere echi enyo bi na be ka kire se nyame di vo bi wa enyo bi na be ka edom na be ka on se na de nche enti me ka so man Ghana de me 90% of Christians in Ghana are not Christians.
Na chese odifo one ma yehu omo so omo ye gospel singers anaso omo tunyame nyom no obi wo hono ma wo tunyum ne keke bai onye kristoni
abire makai menyum tuni bia na oba mi pa emra oware okacha mi se da me de mi po ba no tusu wo ya sika wo nkwasi ase me wo mu no
di open na waka
di open na waka
wa busa no de be ma
o mu sa de
obusa de open
ya me de oba we ra de se me de bi o mi po ba no tusu am so apotam mi di na temo congregation yam jimifo wo nti pa dia Kristo yi na ma so ne mo bra me de da me pede ne tusu na me ka chense on fa na me na me nkwa alaje ne tuma wo nkwasi ase me wo mu wo oje a Kristo fo be ya pa agudie ni doso walk in the spirit or say me da me preach walk in the spirit or say me feel to kios na me ba walk in the spirit me feel me preach na me ba enu kwasi ase mo nko a eti se wo di Kristo achi a aya me pese me kasa bebre because papa ne edi na chi no eye honhom onu ankasa se onyankopon ya honhom na wona wo sorry no ayo ma no to sa no e wo se sorry no honhom ni kurem e soba be gina na sorry honhom ni kurem na ne honhom afa ne difu ba ma ba be kasa tema what is the bad na about this
okay odi for ye on komo dije no ebeba na wie ye enche bia na ye de ye ma mensama wodi etwa ato no tu dwa meche ye konfo ba gada wo say ye Ghana for say ye wa attack bi attack a Joyce Blessing mum ene ye attack no esan say ne ye ni so wo da na die kire ni kunu bra ni divorce won sansem ba abonten ene nsem a chese na dodo na ka se ka we de won ko ni kunu nchen won hwe no ni kunu ntina won sisi nsem na ni nyina wantie no no ene Nyankopon pa no ntoma ma na hunu se de wo ye no enya de onu Nyankopon ne bo eju so enti ni kwa so obi appointed fingers wo ye ma Cecilia Amafo nti se wo attack bi anase nsem bi eka ye Just Blessing mum na ye ntu ye nofo na me pesi me musa se ni pa no waka na se wonti a wasa won chechire no eno me bo onu ma wasa ye nchechire won ye mfa enso wo ma hunu se ade we de wo ya anase wo gye mu a enye ya na
unse 20 ene o ma ti ko pompanifo ni bu mo be ena unse in the ministry ye tuufo na wonti a okosia de yensia what you say ena na metie Dr. Kwame Chibaafo ne organizer or organize event no aye mobo wo mo nyina ho tewo they know what is going on the ground enipa ne tunum na onde ne ho eyaw awrehuo bi ye pagya nyano so gya na asa obi awu once na de ne tie no baanu eye sene baako sika ta se baanu eye sene baako ena wo mienu ne kabo mu why half na to atwene do you expect how ba be yimu a no onye mu ada asamba enipa na eka asamba enu aba ede sika na atwada enipa na eka jade nti na wonwonko afomu na ntimi fanche sika ta de na se onye kristoni unu ya fomu Bible say yem fanche embrenso ahodo nson what you say e ti say unu ya fomu na bia daddy kwa akofo ba bi ebi enipa wa akono bi e ba ntimi nseso ebi o mo ni control over their individual what you say ebi akono ne ba ntimi anse na akono na akoto no for daddy next time enye sabi unu mi say me yo ye di opa bi ya o ne menye what you say ebi ma ni kunu kwa de niewu me nka so akoye saade but ebia ne bia won so ba no every time we check program say then one of the girls or so the lesbian counterpart now so look at all this look at all this et say me okuna me tia me buba jo so debi o se na de ni nyina che no etu ye tase no banyansafo mu ye tase no bia na adwum da ho wow onim di onim fom etu ba altar no so ja wo hu fa wo hanu dadwi nya to papa no be gina na sore no et se nyamo mo bibia what about say oje na yamu ka obabi o edom nim e no kasa kire se de na wo beye
eno de nke be kasa nyame honhom bae
nya chom nya chuma Kristofo oje na otodu mo bo no se wonkoku Kenya obabi o e no okasa kire de dia mo be kasa eno de Holy Spirit afọ obabi mu o yeah God blessing ba ko yesi na mafu de dudu ni sabi oso de
ntakrache
Ghana yenhie nyansa yenhie nyansa oba be si atene ho efini dontode ni kika aboni yoso nya bi ya Ghana ntufo mo dress e ma ni titiri e mema no so nkwase akono ni nsamom ani wi nom ani club ko ye nworo ma dress no mo pe o mo nkoso
odifo mitimu se wa hiti pa eye na so yamre no ekọ wo final words of football we dey betu edwa ama ahwefo ni etiefo wo mo hwe osisebri
me da wanu asisika me football betie ni o yo ba na tudum wo Ghana na wo ni now apply makeups maybe a man of God I will never call you on my altar and e Ghana ntufo ya hipi ye nufu ya pompi ye nufu na ya sia ho ye brezi ya kala nyina kira bonten ni ya pepe ye to egugugugu nyomam ya to dom no kwa ni ya dane ya to ni camera isi so boye nyuma ya to ma Kristo jawa ko hwesam wo na me no kasa ni jai jawa kwasi asam ni die me mfra da wo me altar so Bible say no kwaso ko be so ni jano hunhum ni no kwarim anye kwasi asam sei sisi ba bia obi ya me sire ewrade hunhum ene ne bambo ye mununkum ni aprada ene kese wo so de obeka biara ene by wesa eja wom ene de o man Ghana ye de no man ayi o man accuse of soma ye de anyum tufo ye we nyame ya somo we nyame bia ye hunu a ye tu ahu beja on kwase asamo ti aso dem o todom e wo mpena wa na me no kasa wa o todom aso dem e wo mpena mienu miensa enan gina so todom awurade me dia prophet Bernard Asia me sirawo adiam kwase asamo e bi mi kire o me na ka ba bona ni so ama de ani aye no kwase asam sei awurade ka je se o kira wa de jaye o tan on pese di baby abeye na Satan amfa so amfa mre yeso anyan mesrawo ahadie ejara modin nkwase asem bi mpa sisi amafu de nukura sawo sisi dia anukura sa ti etowa ka be ne die what about say emna revelation ba ne ke fa congregation be mu gina ho etie nwum ne fa ne mu ba ya ka be ka ne say ene ya nkan ni wachi a ye unya tam ya me dwuma ne say wo ye ni ya anu be ba so we are ready for you people ebi a wo hemi wo how amanie bi da so a aye Holy Ghost and Fire Prayer Ministry ijana mo den papa ubeti ma frem ni atwetwe nkomo aye 0249631876 0249631876 anasa 0203851633 misrawo o frem ya ja nkwase asam no na ye bom paya ma wa osoro so abia ma nyame enhira wontire ne mu nchiro manu ato
abusia for Prophet Bernard Asiam ena de ye no etwetwe eye enkomo eno wetie eye afabedodo na ensemo mode betu dwaye papa so ede ni nimde nyame ede adom no so aba be cheche ensem emu still na sa wo nsem bi adwinche bi ena wo so pesa wo fa entai ensem akoso yi nyina eso dia ena efabra e wo tuma GH comment section ebiem nso like videos na share all the social media platform eso follow our IG page and your Twitter page for Tuma GH _ Facebook and so Tuma GH. Now make I must say so one subscribe to the channel now. Ye mia adoma na so said ye be ya ye nya call live and answer ye nya upload the video bi anso a one so etime nya notification our phone or laptop and answer or tablet so na when ni etime di nyoma so no echi trending issues na one so etime de wadwinche afa so ede amaye. Na me di esie no na make I must say COVID-19 no still either so Moma yenhwe na enhyehyeye bia a ye de agu akwan mu say ye hohoro yensa with soap and the running water. Ye use hand sanitizers and ebiem so nose mask yemfa endu dwuma pepepe na yetimi akon de etia yare COVID-19 yi na entimi endi esu enkum yadofo ene yebusuafo. Me amedi dwumade ho echia me medin de ekresika pa dasene yebesane hia makram.
Too much GH. We need to go to Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam, I love you.
Operation. Midiane amansie nsonoma ana amansie bofobi. Amansie sunsum kese. Magiatum. Na unse ho ne ma yete sunsum sam akire sunsum ase se obi pese wotena o man Ghana ne wiase no hu se bibi free soro ba dia too much Ghana aji won sam hwe na abrabo ba si wie abrabo ba dane na obo hu se mi hia ne ntam ana mi sua bi ntam a ka me pono na na mu ato na me safo ayira no ka me hu ne ntam ye kire wade ye ma hu sunsum mu nsam ye ma te de ba hwe na kanea bi aso ebe ti omse